Hashu'z world. Learning is fun. Let's learn about magnetic force.
Let's make pencil levitate in air. I got this from Amazon. Let's open and set it. We need to fit 2 magnets to this pencil. We have to put the rubber rings so the magnets won't move. Make sure there is some distance between the 2 magnets. This is how we have to fit. Let's prepare the board. Keep the glass in short marking. Put 2 magnets in each marking. Front 2 magnets should attract to the front magnet of the pencil. Similarly, back 2 magnets should repel with the back magnet of the pencil. Front pencil magnet should be slightly behind the front magnets of the board. Back 3 magnets should be on the same line. See, it is levitating. The gravitational force is defeated by the magnetic force. The pencil is in the air.
Do you know why it is levitating? Because these 2 magnets and these 2 magnets attract each other. And these 2 magnets and these 2 magnets repel each other.
Let's see how magnets attract and repel. See, these are repelling. It's funny. It's going up and up and up. When I turn the magnet, it attracted. The front magnet is trying to go front and the back magnet is trying to go far away, so it is levitating in the air. Let's see what is magnetism. Take a needle, rub it with a magnet in one direction. See, it is behaving like a magnet like attracting this pin. If you put it in the water, it rests in north to south direction. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to get notified.